Jimbo the clown goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Jimbo the clown goes up and down, and then he turns around. Jimbo the clown goes side to side, side to side, side to side. Jimbo the clown goes side to side, and then he turns around. All right, best part, here we go. Jimbo the clown goes wiggle, 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 wiggle. Jimbo the clown goes wiggle, 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 and then he turns around. Let's take our little hands and wave bye, 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 bye. Let's take our little hands and wave bye, bye, bye. We'll see you all next week. All right, here's some goodbye kisses. I'm going to start this way today. Goodbye, Jerry. And goodbye, Brooklyn. And goodbye, Ava. We'll see you all next week. Goodbye, Tessa. And goodbye, Jasmine. And goodbye, Naveen. We'll see you all next week. Goodbye, Nora. And goodbye, Gilly. And goodbye, Claire. And goodbye, Chase.